I'm ready to watch broccoli die.
Give me that buff. Stop faking.
That's a one
Cohen.
shot? Dang it.
Look at this fool. You better not have given it to him.
No, I didn't give anybody any buff because I knew that's gonna happen.
Oh my god, I'm still alive.
Someone give him like a protect.
Can you
I
kill
guess
that?
nobody is given
I
protect.
can still kill it.
You want me to help you?
No.
I could shield lob it. Oh, we're late.
How late?
We can
Oh
still
my.
recover.
That's not that late. It was 58, right?
Yeah. We still made it.
My Deeps is rocking. Even without this mad buff, man. See how it is. Left.
I'll get the middle Ezra.
I got
What? How did I get
broccoli.
shrunk?
Are you gonna die? Are you gonna get it?
No. I'm not gonna die. No, no, I killed the
Oh,
robot. But somehow I got shrunk.
probably stepped in that joint.
Nah.
You're towing trying to sabotage us. No,
Not cool, dude.
I
Not
know,
cool.
not cool. We're gonna defy his evil plan, man. Middle,
A?
not yet. B, B.
A?
What?
Get over here.
Nope.
Yo, Mint! What are you
Taking my
Oh
time.
lord, oh my gosh.
Hey, no, I'm listening to Ray.
doing?
Kill us now.
I trust Ray
Oh,
more
oh
than
my
broccoli.
god.
Against the real enemy.
I know. Both of y'all fools tag team, man.
Oh,
You
snap.
got the one in the front.
Yeah,
I'm
the
gonna
one in
move
the
into the
back.
corner. I'm moving into the corner.
Oh yeah, in the front. That was like nasty, dude. Oh crap. Dude. Tell me I'm gonna hit this guy. I think I got
Yo,
it.
you got it. Good
Right?
job.
I got darn.
That was
I'm gonna
nasty,
turn
dude.
him.
It's okay. You could keep him like that. Doesn't matter.
Ah, spam Hellground.
Hey, pack.
Did you kill that guy minied?
I guess so.
Yeah, that's not good job. Middle. Get over here, Mant. It is B. Go B, B, B.
What? Why is it not A?
This
It's A. Everybody go A now.
Yeah, run right to the bombs. It's the bomb.
Oh, right. I'm here. Okay. Oh, God.
Please, Ray. Ray, please.
But since you took off, I'm like, okay, he can have it.
Got the
I'm
one
just
on the
gonna turn
left.
him.
Got the middle, Ezra. Ah, that's not the left one, Joe.
Oh, my bad. Do you need help?
No, I got it.
I said left. And I got it right.
I got phone.
Every time you say that, I feel like they're dead.
What do you mean?
Like, I got them when they're like, you gotta res them or something.
No, they're alive.
Thank you for that assurance.
0.5 is a 10. 10%.
What is the other
Why
one?
do you want
10,
to win
9.
like that?
Even.
No. Bro.
That's what you sound like. You're like, I really want to win.
No, it's only you. You're fighting your evil nature as a healer.
We might be able to limit break kill them.
Yeah, most likely. I saw a video where the guys, they killed. Oh, wait. Go B, go B. They killed it before the first jump.
Nice.
It was one single healer, 2 tanks, extra DPS. Look at this fool towing right now. %. I can't see crap.
5%, I'll go on pressure.
What is that at?
1.
1%, just kill it.
Look at that. Yay, yay, yay.